morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 4 science teacher. First of all, take out page number 136. We are doing the topic from chapter or environment, chapter 13, and we have already studied this much. Now today we are going to study from page 136, activity zone. Insert a deflated balloon into a plastic bottle and pull out the open end of the balloon from the opening of the bottle. Now put the just balloon inside the plastic bottle and then inflate it afterwards, and observe that what happens with the balloon and with the bottle. You do this experiment at home with the help of an adult. Okay, don't do it yourself. Now come to page number 137. Here also is an experiment. There is an experiment zone, and you will take a liquid detergent. You will take two similar pots and water, and you will place both the plants near the window so that they can get equal quantity of sunlight. Now you can water the plant X, this plant with water, and the other plant Y. You give it half water and half cup of detergent. Now water both the plants daily for 6 days. You water this plant with only water and with this plant with detergent and water, and then you will see that what is happening with both the plants, and you will find out that detergents are harmful for the growth of the plants. So this plant is using detergents, any detergent that you can use for dishwashing or cloth washing, and then you observe the result. And do this experiment also with the help of an adult. Now come to the learning zone, page number 137, learning zone. How is soil formed? Now the soil that you see on the ground, that is not formed in one day, but it takes millions of years to make a soil. Now the basic material for soil formation is rock. Rock is the basic material for the formation rocks. When rocks are exposed to sun's heat, they get sun's heat, they get strong winds, and they get rain or snow. This continuous process breaks down the large pieces of rocks into smaller pieces of rocks, and finally they change into the loose fine material called soil. Now this breaking process of rocks is called weathering. Now the soil layers. You can see that soil has three main type of layers, that is horizons. They are called horizons, A, B and C horizons, and but other soils have additional layers, O, E and R horizons as well, but basically soil has three main layers called horizons. Now A horizon is the thin topmost layer, soil layer, that consists of organic material and minerals. Organic material relates to the body organs of the animals or the human beings, and minerals. This is a fertile layer, and plants and crops grow with this because they have nutrients to grow. Now come to the B horizon. In B horizon is the layer that consists of organic matter, clay and iron. C horizon is the parent layer, and which forms the basis on which O, A, E and B horizon develops. Large rocks are found in this layer. You can see the horizons, the details of the horizons you can see here. And O horizon is the organic layer that consists of deposits of plant remains and microorganisms, little organisms that cannot be seen from the naked eyes. And E horizon is the mineral horizon. It lies below the O and A horizon. Comes the E horizon. It is below O and A horizon. And R horizon is the bedrock. Bedrock, it is on the very last. It's like a bed and is found below all the layers. It is below all the layers, the R horizon, and large mass of solid rock and a small amount of organic matter are found in this layer. Now we studied this much, and then I have shared a few questions with you in the WhatsApp group. Let's discuss these. You will first make the title page of chapter 13, our environment, and then you will start question number 1. Name the 4 layers of the atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. Question number 2. What do you mean by atmosphere? The air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. Now question 3, which climatic conditions are the rocks exposed to? Answer, rocks are exposed to different climatic conditions such as sunset, action of strong winds, cooling down with rain or snow. Then you will draw the layer of atmospheric layers of atmosphere from page 135 in copies. I will show you which diagram you have to make. You have to make this diagram in your copies, that is in on page number 135, and make it on the blank page. There is one more question. Question number 4, define weathering. The breaking down of rocks and minerals into small particles and soil is called weathering. And for homework, learning homework, learn vocabulary zone from page 142 for oral test. This is your homework. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.